Hi everyone, welcome to my channel VIDYANIRMAN, which is helpful for CBSE, ICSE and state students. హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, నా వీడియోస్ చూసి నన్ను ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి నా స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నా ఛానల్లో వచ్చే వీడియోస్ అకాడమిక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి మాత్రమే కాకుండా జాబ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కు, నీట్, ఐఐటి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యేటువంటి స్టూడెంట్స్కు బాగా హెల్ప్ అవుతాయి. సో మీకు డౌట్ ఉన్నటువంటి టాపిక్స్ ఏవైనా సరే నాకు మెయిల్ చేస్తే నేను వాటి మీద వీడియోస్ చేసి మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఈరోజు నుండి నేను చేసే ప్రతి వీడియోలో ఒక యాడ్ ఆన్ టాపిక్ ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని మీరు మిస్ అవ్వకుండా వీడియోని కంటిన్యూస్గా చివరి వరకు చూడండి. అలాగే ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ కోసం నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని బెల్ సింబల్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. నా మెయిల్ ఐడి కింద ఉన్నటువంటి డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్లో ఇచ్చాను. స్టూడెంట్స్, టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ ద kinetic energy and momentum of a body. For this, let us first consider a body. It is having mass m and the body is moving with velocity v. This moving body is have both kinetic energy and momentum. We know the momentum, it is defined as the product of mass and velocity of that body, and it is denoted by letter small p. So by using that formula, momentum is equals to mass into velocity. I am writing the formula momentum p is equals to m into v. So I make this as equation number 1. So p equals to mv is our equation number 1. Next, the moving body is having kinetic energy. We already know that kinetic energy is defined as it is the energy acquired by a body by virtue of its motion. This is called kinetic energy, and it is denoted by letter Ke. The kinetic energy of a body Ke is equals to half mv square. I note this as equation number 2. By using these two equations, we can get our relation. So I make some little changes in equation number 2, and automatically I get the relation. See, the right hand side of the equation number 2, if you observe, that is half mv square. I multiply the right hand side of that equation number 2 with a small fraction m by m. So with these changes, the equation 2 becomes as follows. Therefore, Ke equation 2 becomes Ke is equals to half mv square into m by m. In that equation, the numerator have two m's, so those two m's will multiply with each other, and we get m square v square by 2m. But already we know the relation between the momentum, that is p is equals to mv. So the above equation becomes mv whole square by 2m. We can write p instead of mv, so it becomes p square by 2m. So this is our final relation. Ke is equals to p square by 2m. So hence the above equation K equals to p square by 2m represents the relation between the kinetic energy and momentum p. Students, in this video the extra knowledge topic is kinetic energy. It is defined as the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy it is generated by Ke, or in some books it is generated by Ek. The formula for the kinetic energy is Ke is equals to half mv square, and the SI unit for the kinetic energy is joules. Students, now I am deriving the formula for kinetic energy, that is Ka is equals to half mv square. For this, I am considering an object. That object is having a mass m, and which is initially at rest. So you know that the rested body is having initial velocity as 0, and by the sudden application of force, the body gets a displacement s, and it reaches another point with velocity v. During this time, the acceleration is a. Now I am writing all the values for the above situation. V equals to 0, V is equals to V, S is equal to S, and acceleration is equals to A. We know that the equation of kinematics, that is V square minus U square is equals to 2as. By substituting the above values, the equation changes to V square minus 0 square equal to as, that is V square equal to 2as, and as is equals to V square by 2. It is our equation number 1. We need to calculate the work done. Work done is equals to force into displacement. But according to Newton's second law, F is equals to ma. I am substituting the F value ma, so mas, and the turn as m into s. I already know the equation number 1. As value is v square by 2. So the work done becomes W is equals to half mv square. See, the above work is stored in the body in the form of kinetic energy. So the entire work changes into kinetic energy. So that is equals to half mv square. This is the formula for kinetic energy. Thank you. And examples of kinetic energy: flowing water in river, all moving vehicles, bullet ejected from gun, etc. There are so many examples available for kinetic energy.